Hi, welcome to Reach Tip of the Day. Today's topic is our equipment maintenance board. We provide this for all of our accounts, and what it's for is we get addressed all the time when we go into an office to repair things. The question comes up, oh, what was that other thing we wanted you to look at while you're here? So there's always a minimum hour charge when we come in for service, and we provide these. So here's this office's whiteboard. They have different items listed up here. Everybody knows where the whiteboard is, the service board, and they just write things down as they find things. Things that don't need immediate attention, but next time we're in. So a loose handle or an x-ray that's drifting or things like that, they write it down here. When we come in for something immediate, we'll come in and take care of. And then we can best use the hour charge and just go down your list and make sure we best utilize that hour. So here's what we have on our whiteboard. We have the technician's information, and then we have an example of what you're going to see online every time you go to request service. And then we have your reach tips, the QR code. What this has available to you is all of our reach tips videos that we've compiled. There's multiple. We're always adding to them to give you examples of what we're doing today. So that's your reach tip of the day.